एवरीवन, पीडीपीएम नॉलेज में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आइए देखते हैं थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू में पार्ट नंबर 15। इससे पहले के 14 लेक्चर हमने प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड करा दिया है। आप वहाँ पे प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं। चैनल के सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। आइए देखते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट 15 के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The condition for correct steering of a device steering gear is where alpha is equal to angle of inclination of the link to the vertical. Option A sin alpha equals to B by C. Option B cos alpha by equals to C by B. Option C tan alpha equals to C by 2B. And option D cot alpha is equals to C by 2B. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी tan alpha is equals to C by 2B. Question number 2. One end of a helical spring is fixed while the other end carries the load W, which moves with simple harmonic motion. The frequency of motion is given by, where delta is equals to deflection of spring. Option A 2 pi into under root G by delta. Option B 1 by 2 pi into under root G by delta. Option C 2 pi into under root delta by G. Option D 1 by 2 pi into under root delta by G. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी 1 by 2 pi into under root G by delta. Question number 3. According to Kennedy's theorem, if three bodies have plane motion, their instantaneous center lies on. Option A triangle. Option B a point. Option C two lines. And option D a straight line. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी a straight line. Question number 4. Keynes construction can be used when? Option A crank has a uniform angular velocity. Option B crank has non-uniform velocity. Option C crank has uniform angular acceleration. Option D crank has uniform angular velocity and angular acceleration. So इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए crank has a uniform angular velocity. Keen construction can be used when crank has a uniform angular velocity. Question number 5. The type of pair formed by two elements which are so connected that one is constrained to turn or revolve about a fixed axis of another element is known as. Option A turning pair. Option B rolling pair. Option C sliding pair. And option D spherical pair. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए turning pair. Question number 6. The two elements of a pair are said to form a dash when they permit relative motion between them. Option A open pair. Option B kinematic pair. Option C sliding pair. And option D none of these. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी kinematic pair. Question number 7. When the axis of the first and last wheel are coaxial, then the train is known as. Option A simple train of wheel. Option B compound train of wheel. Option C reverted gear train. Option D epicyclic gear train. So इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी reverted gear train. Question number 8. A body is in motion will be subjected to Coriolis acceleration when the body is. Option A in plane rotation with variable velocity. Option B in plane translation with variable velocity. Option C in plane motion which is resultant of plane translation and rotation. Option D restraint to rotate while sliding over another body. So इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी restraint to rotate while sliding over another body. आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. In involute gear, the pressure angle is. Option A dependent on the size of teeth. Option B dependent on the size of gears. Option C always constant. And option D always variable. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी always constant. In involute gears, the pressure angle is always constant. Question number 10. In a reciprocating engine, usually dash of the reciprocating masses are balanced. Option A 1/2, option B 2/3, option 3/4 and option D whole. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी 2/3. Question number 11. The included angle for the V belt is usually option A 10 degree to 20 degree, option B 20 degree to 30 degree, option C 30 degree to 40 degree and option D 60 degree to 80 degree. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी 30 degree to 40 degree. The included angle for V belt is 30 degree to 40 degree. Question number 12. If there are L number of links in a mechanism, then number of possible inversion is equals to option A L plus 1, option B L minus 1, option C L and option D L plus 2. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी L. Question number 13. Relationship between the number of links L and number of pair P is option A P is equals to 2L minus 4, option B P equals to 2L plus 4, option C P equals to 2L plus 2 and option D P equals to 2L minus 2. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी P is equals to 2L plus 2. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of a higher pair? इसमें से कौन सा हायर पेयर का एग्जाम्पल है आपको बताना है. ऑप्शन ए टूथेड गियर, ऑप्शन बी बेल्ट एंड रोप ड्राइव, ऑप्शन सी बॉल एंड रोलर बियरिंग, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. ये आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. When the pitching of a ship is upward, the effect of gyroscope couple acting in it will be option A to move the ship towards starboard, option B to move the ship towards port side, option C to raise the bow and lower the stern, option D to raise the stern and lower the bow. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए टू मूव द शिप टूवर्ड्स स्टारबोर्ड. आपको यहाँ पे सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर दिए हुए हैं, आप चाहें तो इसे नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर करें, जिससे आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा MCQ पेपर में सॉल्व कर